scared. The Steakhouse, Kingdom of Steaks. You can eat excellent steaks. We do videos about events in Malta and also travel videos all over the world.
So this little town, it's St. George. Counting some 5,000 inhabitants. Probably nowadays it's even more. Now it might be 6,000 because of new development area was developed behind this little town. And actually, for the sake that well, there are many wineries, many restaurants here. St. George is renowned for quite a high density of artists who dwell here. It's very good for Slovakian artists to live here, you know, because there's enough on wine all around here, and they need more inspiration. So today someone showed me the monument from the Blue Church, and the monument for unborn children was created by Fero Guldan. Fero Guldan, he's a local from St. George as well, a real bohemian, an artist as he should be. Famous in Slovakia, never rich, a little bit addicted to alcohol, inspired by alcohol, and a kind person. St. George has got actually a nice town center, which is located in the street now to the left side. Actually, it ends up at the Gothic St. George Church, quite up on the hill. This is the new dwelling area that you can see on the right hand, which was developed only in recent, let's say, 5 or 6 years. In Slovakia we face a trend that people tend to leave, well, we only have 2 cities, Bratislava and Košice, but the inhabitants of Bratislava and Košice tend to leave these cities and to move to the surrounding countryside, which actually cause that real estate prices are growing constantly, not just for the cities but also for surrounding villages. And due to this development, actually Bratislava's surroundings is daily hugely affected by heavy traffic jams, specifically in rush hours. Throughout the weeks it's in the morning and then in late afternoon. Simply too many people live apart from the capital, in the countryside or in small towns surrounding Bratislava, but they commute daily to Bratislava because of their job or because of their studies, and simply there are too many cars for such a small country as Slovakia is. Specifically in Bratislava, it seems to cause quite a disaster. Now Bratislava hasn't got any tube, and we miss it heavily. We just have buses, trolleybuses, trains and tram, but it's not enough for a city with officially 500,000 inhabitants and non-officially some 750,000 inhabitants. A 250,000 inhabitants are those who live in Bratislava for the most part of the year, but they have no registered residence there.
Today, we're in Bratislava, Slovakia, and we're doing wine tasting. Stay tuned.
Għaxa toqt tilab bis-sens, inti għandek 1000, isa 3 euro. 1000 taħħom.
Dal-Ungerija? Jena ma nbiddelx.
U ma jahduħom, ta'
Jena kontent li jemli, xorta għanet l-bank.
Min inti l-bank?
Il-bank ta' għek. Xorta jħodlom l-om.
Jena minn Malta, il-flexi l-euro. Dak, jek jena 30, jinsara 30 euro. 31, biex ta' 30. Jek ma nofuqomx dak, għamur għandu. Inti ħirċevu dak 200 flus li tajku l-ura, ma jnaxħelek xejda.
Issa jena.
Imma daw l-era.
Issa jena. Ma morimki. Għakkellimu ta' konna bl-Ingliżi l-istess. Ma għadma tarra. Emmu, emtiħ, ujdini. Għajżom ġaħoġu. Għajżom ġaħoġu. La, għajżom ġaħoġu. Għajżom ġaħoġu.
Għajna Malta. Għax Malta, da'
issa, emma, ħarġu issa. Fejni, għalli juħor tal-menga li jgħamillek l-ġuhuda.
The Steakhouse, Kingdom of Steaks. We can eat excellent steaks. Go up the stairs.
Wie korrekt sind die
Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share this video with your friends, because that's what YouTube appreciates. Thank you very much.